Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face to Face to Online Transition. In today's session of Teaching with Teams, we will be looking at how can we add a guest to our team. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. Please keep in mind to add a guest to your team, you have to be the owner of your team and your admin should enable guest access. So here I am in my sample team class. All those capabilities are available to me. I am the owner of the team and my admin does allow me to add guests. So I'm going to go ahead and click on these three ellipses and I will click add member. And I'm going to go ahead and add the email address that I want. And it's going to say as a guest, that is correct. And I want to add that particular email address as a guest to my teams. I'm going to go ahead and add and I'm going to close. And now once when I go back to my team and I can see that that member is actually a guest in my team. And if you want to go ahead and change the guest settings, you can always do so. So I'm going to go ahead to the guest permissions and all these permissions are disabled because I don't want them to add, delete, or mess with my channels. So I'm good to go right here. I hope this video helps. If it does, please make sure you like or subscribe. And if you think it's worth sharing, please go ahead and do so. There could be some instructor who might need this. And please remember, happy teaching.